Hello everyone, I'm Xu Wei from Yunnan Normal University. Welcome to my course, The Tourism Culture in Yunnan. Where are we going for our class today? Okay, let me ask you a question first. Have you imagined a tour to the seabed hundreds of million years ago? You may wonder, what? A tour to the seabed in the ocean? But Yunnan is a landlocked province, and there is no ocean here. A tour to the seabed can't be true. Okay, thank you for your thinking, but be patient, please. Our class today about coast wonders in Yunnan will give you a big shock to prove it can indeed be true. The coast landform plays an important role in tourism in Yunnan. There is a large scale of coast areas in Yunnan. Here, what does coast landform mean? The word coast comes from the coast plateau in northwest of Slovenia in Europe, where the typical limestone landform was initially discovered by a geologist from former Yugoslavia in the end of 19th century. In the global context, such kind of landform was initially studied on coast plateau, so geologists adopted the word coast to stand for the limestone landform. Therefore, coast can be regarded as the synonym of limestone. In China, coast landform can be found not only in Yunnan, but also in Sichuan, Guizhou, Guangxi, and Guangdong provinces. In Yunnan, the stone forest is the most famous tourist attraction, that also a typical case for you to understand coast landform wonders. If you can understand the story of the stone forest here, you can join many other coast wonders in your tour in Yunnan. Today, I would like to illustrate the story of the stone forest by 4 colors. What are they? Follow me, please. Let's go to have a look, and I will explain it to you. The stone forest is 78 kilometers from the downtown of Kunming. To be specific, it is located in the Stone Forest E Autonomous County in the southeast of Kunming City. As a coast nature reserve, the stone forest covers an area of 350 square kilometers, but only a small region of 13 square kilometers is developed as the tour resort, and the rest is the coast nature reserve. How to get there? If we choose the highway, it will take us about 1 hour to go there. In addition, visitors can choose the high-speed train to go there, and it will take only 25 minutes. Pretty convenient, right? This is the convenience that the high technology brings to us for modern traffic in tourism. Now here we are. What is the first color of the stone forest? My answer is gold. Why? Gold stands for the golden card that the stone forest shows to the world. On this gold card, you can see the glorious reputations and honorable titles for the coast landform here. The stone forest is well known in Yunnan, so it's called the top wonder by local people. It is also well known in China because it is reputed as one of the 4 most fantastic natural miracles in China, together with 3 gorges of Yangtze River, the Rime of Jilin Province, the landscapes of Guilin. Furthermore, it is famous in the world because it has been officially recognized as the World Geopark in 2004 and the World Natural Heritage Site in 2007 by UNESCO. It is also known as the Museum of Natural Sculptures. All of these glorious titles result from the geological legend of the stone forest. When the term stone forest firstly came to visitors' ears, it usually arouses strong curiosity. It is not a forest of trees, but a forest of cast limestones in amazing shapes. Now you may wonder how such a marvelous cast wonder came into being. This is a good question. The answer to this question is also the answer to the question at the very beginning of our class. Can we really have a tour to the seabed? Yes, definitely yes. Let me tell you how. Actually, the legend of the stone forest can be traced back to 270 million years ago. All the happenings in the past millions of years can explain the formation of the karst landform of the stone forest. Generally speaking, its formation is composed of 4 stages. The first stage is ocean stage. 270 million years ago, this area was still a part of the ancient ocean, where inhabited lots of corals and primitive ocean creatures. When they died, their dead bodies sunk to the seabed and piled up layer by layer. Since the ocean at that time was shallow, sunshine would directly reach the bottom of the ocean. Due to the co-effect of sunshine and water, the dead bodies of those corals and creatures were gradually fossilized, and they slowly turned into a thick limestone layer on the seabed. Later, the second stage came. It was the tableland stage. Due to the movements of the Earth crust and the collision between the Eurasia plate and the Indian plate, the ocean slowly receded, and the limestone seabed rose up to form a tableland. The ocean disappeared and limestone tableland was exposed in the open air. There is something special that you need to know about limestone. Limestone can be dissolved by water and carbon dioxide. Therefore, when the thick limestone layer was exposed in the air, limestone was eroded by carbon dioxide from air and water from rainfall. Rain and seeping water ate away at the limestone surface. The erosion broke the limestone layer into separate parts. The early stone forest came into being. About 230 million years ago, the third stage began. It was called the volcano stage. According to the research, fierce volcano eruption happened here. The hot lava covered the early stone forest completely, hence separated it from air and rainfall. The early stone forest was accidentally protected for millions of years because the erosion stopped due to the prevention from water and carbon dioxide. The lava cooled down and became a layer of basalt to cover the limestone pillars. About 50 million years ago, the basalt gradually flaked away and the limestone was exposed again. Rainfall and air continued to erode limestone in different places, causing fissures to open around small pinnacles. In time, earthquakes and erosion resulted in cracks and fissures on the limestone. Erosion from rainfall and air deepened and widened the cracks and fissures, hence formed the huge isolated but densely packed stone forest visitors can see nowadays. Obviously, the conclusion can be drawn that stone forest is a masterpiece of nature. So visiting stone forest is obviously to wander on the seabed of the ancient sea. In the global context, it has been ranked as number 1 salt-like karst in its age, size, good preservation, and typical formation. So far, you know the stone forest as a geological legend on the earth. It is really a splendid karst wonder worth visiting. Next time, I will explain the second color of the stone forest to you. Please keep your curiosity. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. 这里是课程中的关键词，同学们别忘了，这也是知识点哟。